Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. So today I'm having some problems with some brake lines and I wanted to show you a quick fix, how to take care of this problem because it is a pain in the ass. So I'm using copper nickel line, but you can also use this on stainless or steel line, whatever. And I got my setup right here and you got a 3/16, I'm using 3/16 inch line. You crimp it in here and when you tighten these nuts up right here, or a lot of you might have the old school style like this where it has like the wing nut or whatever. And then you do the double crimp. Oh crap. Sorry about the crappy camera work. You do the double crimp with this, put it on there, crimp it. And then, you know, pull that off there. And then you, why am I saying crimp? Let me start over. You flare this, pull this off, then you re-flare it again. And when you get done, what happens is right here, see these spaces in between the flare tool? That leaves a real bad groove all the way up right there, all the way up that line. And I'll show you how to fix that. So right here, you can see there's that line on there and see how bad it sticks out? And if you take your finger, you can actually feel that. So what happens is when you put this fitting down, it's kind of bumping right there and you can see it's not all the way down. So it's kind of a crappy flare. Well, it's not the flare's fault, it's the flare tool. So I'll show you a quick way to fix that. So you take some valve grind compound. I don't have the original package that this was in. This I've had this for years, and it's just your typical, you know, for valve grind compound for doing like your valves in your cylinder heads. And this is to reseat them in the cylinder head. And this is like a crunchy paste. It's almost like sand if you feel it. Let me zoom in real quick. Man, look at that professional camera work. And you want to put a little bit of the valve grind, man, I can't say that, valve grind compound on there. And you can hear it's all crunchy and then you're going to seat that to that. It's almost the same shape as a valve, you know, like an engine valve right here on the bottom. So you're gonna seat this fitting to this here. And I'll show you a fast way to do it so you don't have to sit there and do it with your fingers or whatever. Take a cordless 1/2-inch drill. Hold on to the line carefully, and you want to wear safety glasses and stuff. Just be careful doing this because you can get hurt. So, you know, use discretion. But hold on to the line itself. And you want to go back and forth so it seats it a couple times. Take the drill off. And then what that does, damn it. Oh, I'm not good at this camera work crap. So what that does is that now you can see that this is sitting completely flush against this. So there's your hack for the day, your tool hack or your tool tip. It's a really cool trick. And then that line is completely gone on here. Obviously on this one, you can see it a little bit, but you would run this around, you know, spend 5 minutes on it or so. Put a little bit more compound on here. Do it again, do it a couple times, whatever it takes, till this is nice and smooth and it takes that line out. And then you want to clean this real good with acetone, brake clean, whatever you got, so that this is nice and clean so that you don't get those impurities in your brake fluid. Hope that helped. Appreciate you guys watching the video. Give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe and all that good stuff. Later.